What's up, everybody? It's Kevin back with another video, and today we are installing a K&N air filter on my 2026 Honda Passport Trailsport. I'm so excited. We just got this car. It's super awesome, but the gas mileage is nothing to rave about. It's like 17 to 23, and we're getting close to 20-ish, just, an average between city and highway. But I figured it's not going to hurt to get something in here that's going to help the car breathe a little bit better. So let me show you what the engine bay looks like. We're going to get it swapped out. So first time popping the hood, actually. Here's the intake. So sits on the hood, breathes in, goes on here. So I'm guessing my air filter is right in here. It's a pretty cool looking shindig. It's clean, lots of space. But let's get this out. I think this is an 8mm socket, so let's get to it. So let's see how this thing opens. Okay, there we go. Look at that. Brand new, gorgeous. And now we're going to swap it out with this guy. So here's my soon-to-be new filter, and it is a perfect match here. The part number for this, 335117. And yeah, let's get this swapped out. Let's get it closed up, and let's see if this bad boy breathes a little bit better. This side up. There you go. Aha. So it says this side up. There we go. When you slide this in, you kind of have to drop it in. It just kind of pushes in and then pushes down. And now we're good. Now we're in there. Everything is closed up. It's always tricky doing this one-handed. There you have it, brand new K&N air filter installed into a 2026 Honda Passport. What's kind of cool is air intake down, comes in the bottom, gets pulled through the filter into the engine that direction. So there you go. It's that easy to change out your air filter with a K&N air filter. Or if you just need to exchange your air filter yourself, do it yourself. It saves tons of money. There's no reason the dealer should do that. 3 screws, pop it in, boom, you're done. So if you like videos like this, stay tuned. Got more videos coming. And take the time to follow and subscribe. Appreciate you guys. Have a good one. Later.